Hi guys, welcome back to Floki's Models. This here is going to be a small update about what I've been working on here recently. First off, just recently got back from a trip to Florida, mainly just so me and my wife could go to Galaxy's Edge and geek out down there for a while. Then I got back, counted up my ongoing projects, and I've got 11 projects all in different stages of completion. And behind me here is 5 of the ones I've been working on so far. These is the helmets from the Bad Batch, which is the new Star Wars animated series on Disney+. We got Echo, Hunter, Wrecker, Crosshair, and Tech. Unfortunately, I've lost all the footage that I've taken of these so far, all the way up to where they're at. So when they are done, I will put up a video, showing them finished. I'll do that. Number 6 project I got is a custom Mandalorian helmet that I've been working on. This file is from Alter Ego Armories on Etsy. I'll put a link down in the description to them. And all of these is from Galactic Armory. He sells on Etsy, but he's also got his own website that I'll put a link down in the description of that too. Let's go see what else I've been working on. Alright, this is the next kit I'm going to be working on, which is the Kitty Hawk F101B Voodoo. Have this kit for a couple months now. Got it brand new, in box, still in the cellophane, still sealed up, and I opened it, the windscreen was broke. Well, reached out to Kitty Hawk, and they wanted $15 plus shipping just to replace this piece right here. I could understand if I broke it, but being brand new in the box, I couldn't even understand paying shipping. But $15 just for one piece plus shipping? Eh. I figure for that price, I'll try to find me a vacuum formed one. I've looked, I can't find anything. I'm gonna just try my best to repair this. Mainly because shortly after I reached out to him, Kitty Hawk announced that they was filing bankruptcy. So, yeah, no getting replacement parts right now either. Another small project I've been working on, this is Darksaber with a chassis that can slide in and out of it, which I can put a small kyber crystal in and LEDs. I believe this one here is from the one from the Mandalorian. It's because the one from the animated series is more squared off looking, and this is more rounded, of course. And this is BD1 from Jedi Fallen Order. He is created by Mr. Badley. I'll leave a link to his Patreon in the description. And he creates droids, 3D printed droid files. And I mean, they're fully automated when finished. For $5 a month you get access to all of his files, and also access to the community, which will, if you run into problems or anything while working on them, there's someone there to help you. And it's just not BD1. There's also all the R series except for R1, I believe. I don't think he's made an R1, but R1 unit is huge. But R2, that's the most popular. Chopper units, the C1 series, which was Chopper from Rebels. Just a whole bunch of mouse droids. He's got a thing called Baby Astromechs that he's been doing, which is just really small automated R units. And yeah, BD1 is also one of them. I said check him out, $5 a month, and it's well worth your $5. And finally, to wrap this little video up, I'm going to be putting out another video right after this one, showing this right here, which is AFE Club's Dorchester. which this one here is one that was captured by Rommel in North Africa. And this is a build I've done a couple years ago before I started filming for YouTube. But I did take a lot of photos for different forums that I was on to show the build process. So I'll just be taking them photos and doing a photo walkthrough video, I guess it would be. So stay tuned for that to come right after this video. Well guys, that's where I'm at right now. Hope you guys maybe enjoyed seeing some of this stuff that I'm working on. And please, just stay tuned for more. Thank you.